The challenge is a personal bet I had with my wife, Vicky. Back in September last year, I was in hospital. I just had a total new hip replacement. The surgeon was basically telling me off, telling me that I can't keep doing what I'm doing, otherwise I'm going to hurt myself in other areas of my body. Vicky was sat in the corner of the room laughing to herself. She said the idiot will do the Llangollen round with a fridge on his back. Unfortunately, we lost Vicky at 2 days before Christmas. The children in January brought it up again. They said, "Are you going to do the Llangollen round? Are you going to do it with the fridge freezer?" I said yes. The first training session I did scared the living daylight out of me. The kids have been they've been the only ones that have probably said that you can do this. That's their mother. They're a product of her environment. Vicky, without question, the biggest inspiration of my life, the most positive, make it happen person